What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get coins in Royal Kingdom. So if you're wondering how do you get coins here in Royal Kingdom, so maybe you want to spend this on getting more lives or even just playing the game. Well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now, coins are passively being gained whenever you play the game. So for example, if you finish one level here, usually you get you earn a significant amount of coins. But if you're not aware yet, so if you have moves left in your board, like so say like you have like 10 moves left on your board or 5 moves left on your board, usually those are converted as coins as well. So with that said, maybe you could try like for example leaving some moves left in your board here, and that should reward you additional coins. Now, you might be wondering what are other means of getting coins here. Well, another means of you gaining or getting coins here is via the shop itself. So if you click on the plus button next to the bottom section of the coin, it should give you the option to buy coins in their shop. Now, coins here usually cost around like $2 to $3 depending on where you are. It should give you like 1,000 coins for just $2 to $3. Now, if you want to get more, there's like 5,000, 10,000 coins, and 35,000 coins here. But if you're going to ask me, might as well buy the one that has like special offers first, because they offer more for the price itself. So as you can see, it offers like 2,000 coins here, and with the same price for the 1,000 coins here. So yeah, so maybe buy, if you really want to buy it, add additional coins here, go ahead and use or buy these special offers. Now, you might be wondering what are other means here. So we actually found this article here directly or from the Royal Kingdom support team or their website here. So you could go ahead and earn coins via opening district chests, and also your remaining moves like what we discussed before, and also your remaining moves in the Champions Arena. And also for you should be able to start earning coins as well from different events like the Champions Arena, Diamond Rush, Grand Tournament, and a lot more. And you can purchase from the shop as well, like what I've shown you before. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and resubscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.